Thank you for being a part of Meditation Life Skills today. Your support means everything to us.
Here's a short 3-minute meditation lesson designed just for you from Meditation Life Skills. Enjoy!
In recent years, there has been a lot of interest and research into the neuroscience of meditation. As meditation grows more popular, scientists and academics seek to study the brain's quiet processes. Through neurology, experts want to comprehend meditation's physiological and psychological impacts. Neuroscience studies the nervous system, specifically the brain, and its relationship to behavior and cognition. Researchers have utilized various methods to study brain activity during contemplative times. Functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, is a typical approach for measuring variations in blood flow and oxygenation levels in different brain areas. Scientists have used fMRI scans to identify specific regions of the brain that are active during meditation. One of the most important results of meditation neuroscience is its effect on the prefrontal brain. This brain region controls executive decision-making, attention, and self-control. Studies have shown that regular meditation can increase activity in the prefrontal cortex, implying that it improves cognitive ability. This may explain why daily meditators frequently claim increased attention and concentration at work and in their relationships. Furthermore, studies have shown that meditation might significantly impact the amygdala, a brain region responsible for emotion processing. The amygdala regulates our stress reaction, fear, and anxiety in the brain. Studies have shown that a consistent meditation practice can reduce amygdala activity, resulting in fewer stress and anxiety symptoms. This indicates that meditation could be valuable for managing and regulating emotions. Furthermore, studies on the neuroscience of meditation have found changes in the brain's default mode network, DMN. The DMN is a network of resting brain areas that engage in self-referential thinking or mind-wandering. Meditation lowers brain default mode network activity. This decrease occurs due to less self-reference and increased mindfulness. Meditation can help us stop dwelling on the past, worrying about the future, and enjoying the present. Meditation's neuroscience still reveals this ancient practice's tremendous consequences on our brains. fMRI scans revealed alterations in brain areas involved with attention, mood modulation, and self-awareness. Understanding these neurological pathways will allow scientists to investigate meditation's therapeutic potential for a variety of mental health disorders and overall well-being. So, the next time you sit down to meditate, remember that you are finding calm within yourself and participating in an intriguing examination of your brain's inner workings.
Thank you for listening to Meditation Life Skills today. We are incredibly grateful for your support.